This is the case of a patient with primitive cardiomyopathy and implanted with a single lead ICD. This tracing highlights the functioning of the Medtronic RV lead noise algorithm, specifically designed to avoid inappropriate therapies in case of lead fractures. The plot shows very fast cycles at the limit of the ventricular blunting. No therapy has been delivered since the device has diagnosed a lead dysfunction and oversensing of a noise. The EGM shows typical noise oversensing due to a lead fracture, intermittent, very fast cycles close to the sense ventricular blunting periods, some signals with very high amplitude that saturates the amplifiers. The VF counter is reached here, but no therapies are delivered since the noise criterion is met. How does the RV lead noise discrimination algorithm works? It compares the far-field here signals to the near-field signals to differentiate RV lead noise, like in this patient, from a real ventricular arrhythmia. So the algorithm is based on a direct comparison between the near field and the far field. If the RV lead is functioning properly, so meaning no lead dysfunction, you will have a match between the signals in the near field and in the far field. This is obviously not the case in this patient. If, like in this example, the RV lead is not functioning properly, you will find a persistent activity with very short cycle sense in the VT or VF zones in the near field, but this activity is not shown on the far field signals. Then the device will diagnose oversensing of a noise. More precisely, the amplitude is measured peak to peak using the far field EGM. The algorithm uses a counter. Every sequence of 12 peak-to-peak amplitude is analyzed through a sliding window. When the number of intervals to detect VT or VF is reached, if 3 of the 12 last sequences are classified as noise, the detection is then interrupted. The therapies are then not delivered and an alert is triggered. The device will sound every 4 hours until the device is interrogated by a programmer. If remote monitoring is on in this patient, then the device also attempts to send a wireless transmission to a CareLink monitor. The RV noise algorithm can be programmed to on, or on plus timeout, or off. If you program this algorithm as on plus timeout, this algorithm provides a programmable timeout interval. During an uninterrupted RV noise event, the device do not deliver the therapy for the duration of this interval. If the RV noise event persists longer than this programmed interval, then the therapies are delivered. The timeout interval ranges from 15 seconds to 2 minutes.